I think, the Sochi Olympics, to be a part of it is going to be like a moment in time.
We train 1,000 hours a year, every year, just for, these few fleeting moments, and it's totally worth it.
We've been practicing hard day in and day out. We got the silver in the 2010 games, and this time we're definitely looking to come away with a gold medal.
Getting your team gear is, I think, one of the first things that really makes the Olympic experience real. And it's so exciting to wear the gear, get a chance to sport that American red, white, and blue, and it's really exciting for us.
People ask you what is the coolest parts of the Olympics, and this is one of them for sure. When I get to put on all these Ralph Lauren clothes and sport them around, and everybody gets super stoked for seeing what we're going to wear into the opening ceremonies and the closing ceremonies.
Creating clothing for our athletes is incredibly time-consuming, and the attention to detail is really unprecedented. We dress over 650 athletes who come from around America with all different shapes and sizes, trying to create clothing by hand, all made in America. The love and passion that goes into it is incredible. This season, Ralph Lauren was really trying to create something that felt like true Americana.
It's going to be really wonderful to be able to walk out with the rest of the U.S. team and represent my country all in these American uniforms and come together. It's going to be really special.
It's going to be an unbelievable feeling walking out in this uniform, matching the rest of Team USA.